Are there built-in functions for element-wise Boolean operators over Boolean lists? For example, if you have n lists of bools of the same length, then element-wise Boolean and should return another list of that length that has true in those positions where all the input lists have true, and false everywhere else. It's pretty easy to write, I just would prefer to use a built-in if one exists, for the sake of standardization and readability. Here's an implementation of element-wise and example usage.
There is not a built-in way to do this. Generally speaking, list comprehensions and the like are how you do element-wise operations in Python. NumPy does provide this, using AND, for technical limitations, in its array type. Number py arrays usually perform operations element-wise.
Try. If you are dealing with really long lists, or some of your variables or slash need to be number py arrays, the equivalent number py code would be modify it based on your needs.
The number py.all function does what you want, if you specify the dimension to collapse on.
No, there are no such built-ins. Your method using zip and all-any is what I would use.
No, I don't believe there's any such function in the standard library, especially when it's so easy to write in terms of the functions that are provided.
Using selected